Hey, one of the things that I want to talk about, the concept was with the intrinsic value, motivation, something that really struck home to me. We find ourselves chasing things in life and but it's not making fulfilling us. We're running and searching and spending crazy hours, but we forget about the things that really mean more to us. The intangible things are more the intangible things are more important than we can ever imagine. Those things that we get to hold on to, we find ourselves chasing things that really don't have a meaning, and to find out they become old, outdated, broken, and we working to get it all over again. But the things that we really can value is our family and our friends. And I notice that especially with a lot of elderly people now, that I go to nursing homes and spend time speaking to the elderly people, pray for them and just talking with them, and you can tell the one that's empty inside because they was chasing fame and power and money, but now they're lonely. No one is there to really see them, and then you see those individuals there, that their loved ones all around them. They don't have a lot of wealth, right? But their family truly, really love them because they spent that quality time teaching and sharing things with them. So that concept has really struck home to me to begin to really focus on intrinsic motivation, things that really get me excited inside that I could hold on to, and memories that I can always reflect back on as I get older in life. So that's one of the concepts that I took away from the book. That money really doesn't make us happy, or our setting money, chasing money doesn't make it really happy, right? It helps. It's like oxygen we need in order to live. But that's the thing that I really took away from that reading. One of the things that I'm taking away from the reading is the team concept. I always looked at it as on a job, right, or in a certain environment, but I never looked at it being inside of the family. You know, and I think that's something that I'm doing more of now, like washing the dishes. I didn't think that was really the manly thing to do. The kids do it, or the wife do it, right? Wasn't a smart choice. And I can see some of the problems, the conflicts that I was causing for my philosophy, the way I was thinking about that. But now I wash dishes with joy. I'm contributing to meals, cooking, or going shopping, and I can see how people, my wife especially, is happy, right? Because it's like it's a teamwork. It's a team thing that we're doing now, working together as a team. And I think that was so cool, sitting down, collaborating on ideas together, right? And but I do agree that it take a lot more time. It was a lot easier to say this is the way it's going to be right here, but I was more of a big dictator, instead of collaborating on the ideas, or coming to a win-win for both person, not just a win-win for me, that I'm happy and everything is perfect now. But it wasn't perfect at all. And I noticed my wife was an avoid, and she will avoid the situation and problem. She don't want to argue about things, so she just wouldn't say nothing at all. And I can see that the damage that it caused us over the years. But thanks God that it's more of a healing process more than anything. Been married to my wife literally for 20 plus years now, and I'm happily married. But we're growing together as a family, and it's all about teamwork. The way I would use this in my professional life when it comes to teamwork, it just to be more involved in the my family, such as putting things down, scheduling things out that me and my wife would do together, like cooking night, washing dishes, doing chores in the house, teamwork, and sitting down more often to come up with decision for the household in general. For my professional life with the teamwork, get feedback from my team. See what things they can use in order to help them grow our business, the company that we're building together, make them feel like they're part of it, creating more, I guess, autonomy. I guess that's the word, autonomy in the company, in our organization, and academically. Some of the things I would do in order to treat myself as a game, by getting work done a lot quicker earlier in advance instead of waiting the last minute. Don't want to throw about creating stress in my life when it comes to schoolwork.